virgin.
That sumbitch virgin.
I say to the man who's married. He's been married for like over a year.
Damn. Also frog. Frog. I hear the frogs. I wanna taste you better.
I think Sleep Token very distantly playing in the background really adds to the ambiance.
Really does. No, I'm not expecting to see lightning bugs today.
Who needs tornadoes when you got lightning bugs?
Right? And we got lightning and lightning bugs in the same shot here. That's so cool.
Catch one, but it just slipped away.
That's some bitch. Lightning and lightning bug.